सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ताकि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेट्स मिलती रहें। Hello everyone, myself Nishant luthra, and in today's video I am going to tell you about what is carbon footprint. Okay, a brief explanation on this. And before starting this topic, I want to ask you one small question, that is, have you ever thought that the toothpaste you use in your daily life is being made in the factories which produces a huge amount of carbon dioxide, okay, and then it is transported from that state or that place to your base, and then it takes what your petrol and diesels of the transport with the release of CO2. Okay, so now carbon footprints. Carbon footprints are these are the gases, you can say the greenhouse gases which are present in our environment, which produces global warming. Okay, now the main cause of this is the root cause is the main gases, that is CO2 and your methane gas. These two are the very main components of carbon footprints. Okay, these are directly proportional to that. The more you produce carbon dioxide, the more bigger will be your carbon footprint. Okay, so now I have made some demonstration for you to get more into this topic. Okay, so let's get into the video, and I have explained that how can you calculate your carbon footprint, your average carbon footprint in your home, and that how can you prevent them from getting spreaded. Okay friends, so let's get into the video. So now friends, as you can see, we are here with a model of a house which I have made for you. Okay, so now in this model I am going to demonstrate you or show you that the uses of your electricity in your house and other things which directly or indirectly leads to the increase in the amount of your carbon footprints or the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which leads to global warming. Okay, so now let's get into the model. Let me remove the roof. Okay, so I have made, as you can see, I have made 4 divisions. Okay, now I am considering these 2 divisions as your rooms, and these one is your washroom, and this is a kitchen you can consider, or anything. Okay, this is just a demonstration. Okay, now in your kitchen we always use LPG for cooking food. In your washroom and other rooms you will use your light, and that means your electricity for using all types of appliances in your house. Yes friends, so now we are going to calculate the amount of electricity and the amount of LPG which is used annually on an average on our houses. Okay friends, so let me close this and now let's go into the calculation of these. Now friends, as you can see, here we are calculating the carbon footprints or the amount of CO2 which is released in the atmosphere. Now first of all, as I have shown you in the model of the house, electricity. Okay, so the electricity is a very main component of our daily uses. Okay friends, so I am considering my house electricity an example. On an average, your house bill or units may vary. Okay, so the monthly units in my house which generally are used is 2 to 5 average, that I have written. You can vary your average. Okay, total units will be 12 into 2 to 5 of yearly, that will be your 2700 units. Okay, now I will divide this value by the number of family members. I have 5 family members. Okay, so I will divide this number from the number of family members, which I will get 540. Okay, now this I will multiply this number with 0.85 in 0.85, and then I will get 459, which will be my emission factor, or you can say that is 459 kg of CO2 is used yearly by your electricity. As you can see how much carbon dioxide or CO2 is released in the atmosphere by using electricity. Okay friends, Now next is our LPG or our kitchen. So now friends, this is the example of cooking that is LPG is used. Okay friends, so in this weight of a cylinder, generally the weight of cylinder is 14 kg है ना, तो 14 kg into 12, that will be your yearly. Okay, 12 cylinders will be there in year, so 14 into 12 will be 168 kgs total weight. Then number of family members are 5, then I will divide this by 5. You can also change it according to your number of family members. Okay, then I will get 33.6, and that this digit I will multiply with 2.983. okay, this is a constant, you can't change this digit, but this answer may vary. Okay, now multiply this digit by 2983 and you will get your yearly used carbon dioxide by the LPG. Okay friends, as you can see, I have got 100.22 kgs of CO2. Okay, now the next is transport. As you can see, without transport we can't go anywhere, and they are also a very most important, where you can say a most important thing our daily life. Okay, so for transport I have taken the number of liters of fuel used in year. Okay, this is the average and it will be depending upon your number of vehicles you have in your home. Okay, so I am considering 300 liters of fuel. Okay, it can be petrol or it can be diesel. Okay, so now number of family members 5, then I will divide this digit by 5, then I will get 60. Then if you are using the petrol vehicle, then divide this digit by this amount, and if you are using diesel, then you can multiply this amount by 2.653, and above, in the above, that is petrol, you can multiply by 2.296. okay friends, then you will get your yearly amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, am I clear, all of you? So now friends, as you can see, I am telling you some of the examples by which you can conserve the amount of CO2, by which you can also directly reduce the amount of your carbon footprints. Okay, as you can see on this road, when there is night time, the lights will glow, which is useful for us to move the vehicle from here and there. But in the daytime, when there is no need of these lights, the lights will automatically be switched off like this, as you can see. Okay, the vehicle is here, so it is not closed. Okay, now, okay, as you can see, they will automatically be closed. So this type of things can be done. Next thing will be the use of solar panels, which is a very good thing. It saves the electricity and it uses the solar power to generate electricity. Okay friends, you can use solar panels like this to produce your electricity. I have one more, let me show you, like this. Okay friends, these are also the source of electricity. Next is, you can also use rechargeable batteries like this, which saves carbon footprint because they will recharge. But instead of these kind of batteries, let me show you like this, because these kind of batteries are use and throw, which indirectly makes a lot of wastage of electricity. Okay friends,